Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn any text into audio using your own voice easily and for free. And we'll be using an app called Dreamface, and the process only take a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't have Dreamface yet, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And then just open the app, then just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plan that give you weekly credits and limited daily generations both both images or videos. And then once you're signed in, you will see the home page like this. And then just tap on Voice Studio. And here just select text to audio. And now you will see a box where you can type or paste any script that you want to turn into speech. So just type your script in here. For example like this. Next just tap on continue. And then just choose your voice. You can choose it from the available AI voices, or you can actually use your own voice. Just tap on my voice like this. And then if you want to customize it with your voice, just tap on clone new voice. Next here you can either upload a voice from the files or just record your voice directly inside the app. Because I already have my own voice, so I will just tap directly my voice like this. And next just tap on continue. And then just choose your avatars if needed, if you want to use it. But in this tutorial I will just use audio only. And then just hit animate. And then just wait for the process.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you use text to audio.
Like this. In just a few steps, your text is now converted into audio like this. You can save it by hit the download button and then just use it in your projects right away. And okay, that's how easy it is to turn text into speech with Dreamface. It's completely free and using your own voice. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.